today we are going to be showing you how to make a very quick, easy and tasty, delicious cookies, which I'm very sure your kids are going to love. Okay, and all you need for this recipe is just 3 ingredients. Like, it is that simple and easy to make. So Mama, can you tell them what you are about to make today?
We're making some cookies!
Yay! So we are going to quickly introduce you to the ingredients we need for these delicious cookies. So over here we have our oatmeal. We are going to be using this brand, but basically you can use any oatmeal of your choice, okay? And here we have some peanut butter, and finally we have 2
bananas.
Yay! So we are going to be using 2 bananas. As you can see, they are very ripe, so you need a really ripe bananas for this recipe. Mama, can you help us and peel the banana, okay? Just peel it.
Okay, too.
And put it here.
Okay.
Don't worry guys, our hands are super clean, okay?
Sorry.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, clean your hands. Alright. Yeah, mash it.
It's so beautiful.
Alright guys, so after mashing the banana, this is what it looks like. So basically you need to mash the banana with a potato masher, or you can use a fork to do that. So before we start adding the rest of the ingredients, we are going to turn on our oven. Okay, and this turn it here. Agora.
Yuppie!
So while our oven is preheating, we are going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, to this we are going to be adding some peanut butter. Take more. Brava. Good job. Can you taste it? È buono? Sì. Now we are going to be adding some of the oatmeal. No, we are going to use the cup. I add it here. Yes. And half cup. Oops. Add it. Yeah, brava.
Yay!
It's time to mix everything together. Alright, can you do that? So this is the consistency we want. Can you see how thick it is? It is very, very thick. Okay guys, we have our baking tray here, and we are going to line it with a parchment paper. And this is our coconut oil. We are just going to rub it on the paper. Okay, dip it inside the oil and rub it very well everywhere. Can I help you? So once we are done with that, we are going to start scooping out the batter and putting it in the oven tray. Hold on. Let's mix it one more time just to make sure that everything is well combined. Oh my god, and it smells so good. Okay, wait. All right, bake like so.
So good.
So when you are putting them on the tray, make sure you give some space, okay? And now we are going to use the back of the spoon to press it down a little bit. But yeah, do this one. Yeah.
Cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, dammi cinque! Brava! We have 6 pieces here. We are going to put it inside the oven now. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, you can add any dry fruit of your choice. You can even add some chocolate to it if you want, but we prefer it plain like this, just plain, no nuts at all. So if you want, you can add nuts, okay, like raisins, dry raisins. You can add almond nuts, you can add like basically any nut of your choice. So let's put this inside the oven and we are going to bake this for, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes, okay?
These hugs. Next.
So I'll put it in the bin.
B and open this one.
It's hot, don't touch it.
So, one more. My age.
Thank you.
Ooh. It's time to taste it. Eat.
It's time for the taste test. so good. È buono? Eh sì. È molto buono. It's very good, okay? Yeah guys, that's it for this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please share this video to everyone. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. This is so good.
Good. Very good.
It's very good.
I like the cookies.
I like the cookies too.